Here you go. I figured I'd make you all a video and show you the new hardware that I got on the last surgery I got. That's the 2 bars, 4 screws, there's some clamps up to the top, and then a spacer there. Artificial vertebrae. Or actually, what do they call that? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Disc. Goes between the vertebrae, but it's an artificial disc. It's like a little cushion there to replace these little things that are gone. But anyway, I got in a little car accident and bent some of this stuff a little bit, so I haven't been going outside. I need to go back to the doctor's, so I've sort of been laying low. I thought I would give you a look at this stuff and sort of explain why I haven't been making videos out in the shop. There's another one from the side, and there's one from the front. So the ibuprofen, takes the edge off a little bit, but I've been having a lot of pain, so I haven't been able to go out and do a lot of stuff, and sort of been doing this with no pain medicine. I got off all of that from the last surgeries. Didn't want to go back down that road, so sort of limited on what we can do to relieve some of the stuff, and then I irritated it by getting in the fender bender. So that's what's going on. We'll see how it looks in a week or two. Let it heal up a little more, and see what the doctor says. And as soon as I can, I'll be back out in the garage getting some stuff done. I've been going out there doing a little bit, but I'm sort of really limited and not walking really good, so that's why I haven't been doing things or showing up to things. I know some guys invited me to go out to the drag races, and just not able to do that stuff right now. So, but anyway, that's what's going on. Hope everybody's doing good, and that's my current situation. And there you go. You guys, I think I got somebody else's x-ray, but we'll see what happens with this. And hopefully if this stays good and heals up, we can move up and do the one in the middle and be done with all this stuff. And I think I have like 4 screws to go and 2 more rods basically, and a couple of those spacers. Anyway, till then, you guys have a good one. Hope everybody had a good holiday and a good new year, and we'll talk to you soon.